Pisces June 2021 horoscope. Major success comes during the later half of the month. Go slow though. For the period, you would be very sensitive and you would be full of energy and enthusiasm. Hence, do not stay idle, instead, keep going. At times, you ought to go with the flow round rather than swimming against the tide. It will be better than seeking dialogue because, in terms of exchanges and travel, you may encounter many delays or misunderstandings. Your activities and your feelings are much more privileged than your dialogues, which risks drowning you in contradictions that have no end. Pisces Education Horoscope. Scholars indicate good times for academic development. Planetary positions will make you intellectually sharper and this will help in learning. Students of professional courses will have no problem with their studies and will maintain their grades. Commerce and language students will be able to manage their courses well. Competitive tests can be cleared with standard guidance and usual studies. Pisces Career Horoscope. Not beneficial for career professionals for growth. They will be forced to toil hard without the consequent rewards. As an environment at the workplace will be full of discord, you fail to get things done. Social contacts and seniors in the office will not come to your rescue. Pisces Finance Horoscope. Based on the horoscope for Pisces 2021, you are a spender, and this will affect you greatly since you will be broke by the end of the month. Family and friends will help you where they can, but you will have to try as much as possible to learn how to save and spend on those things that are important. Pisces Travel Horoscope. Very good benefits from travel activities. Professionals and businessmen will be highly benefited from these journeys. There will be both financial rewards as well as business development. There will be both national and international trips for both business and pleasure. Family holidays will not only be enjoyable but also will be full of memorable events. Pisces Health Horoscope. An encouraging month for health issues. Chronic disorders will be under control and small health irritants can be resolved through prompt medical attention. Good health will make your temperament positive and cheerful. Usual precautions should be taken to maintain your fitness. You should not engage in stressful activities. Regular exercise and good diet plans will keep you healthy. Pisces Love and Relationship Horoscope. Pisces compatibility should spend time together for dinner dates and social functions to enhance their married lives. Your spouse may not be very enthusiastic, and it is your responsibility to ignite the desire if you are planning to have a child. Pisces love relationships warn that stellar aspects will cause quite a few problems. Single persons should think twice before getting into love alliances. However, love life will be wonderful and very much desirable. Pisces Family Horoscope. You will have a hard time bringing the family together since you disrupted peace in the family when you started acting like a jerk. Pisces 2021 horoscope predictions foretells that you will at the end of it all apologize to your family and restore peace once again. Humility will enable you to overcome all challenging family issues in June 2021. Astral combinations are not encouraging for the affairs of the children this month. Their educational progress will suffer due to adverse planetary aspects. Their behavior with senior members of the family as well as school authorities may create problems. It will be the responsibility of parents to discipline them and guide them properly. Thanks for watching the video.